So Annenberg has been around, as I've mentioned, for 50, 60 years. We are a very effective communications program, both in terms of research, in terms of service, and in terms of education. What excited me about the possibility of a partnership and a collaboration with Shiv Neder University was really threefold. First, the people. I learned a great deal about Shiv Neder and his philanthropic work, his vision as to what a university system should do in general and what this new university should do more specifically. I've known Nikhil Sinhal for 7 or 8 years. He is a graduate of the graduate program at the Annenberg School for Communication at the University of Pennsylvania before my time at Penn, because of that relationship, he serves on the advisory board, the alumni advisory board of the Annenberg School, and I've gotten to know him very well through that relationship. And I respect both his intellect and his commitment to the issues of higher education. So the people were key to my feeling that this was a good partnership with Annenberg. The second thing is the goal. The goal is to create a new 21st century university from scratch, or the goal was, since it's already started, from scratch, that took the best of what Western education has learned at the higher education level, a true liberal arts approach to higher education, combined with the ability to take what is best in Indian culture and the Indian education system and meld it into a new type of university. Quite frankly, something that is new in India, but what I think is less understood, new even compared to what's in the United States. You rarely get the opportunity to start a university from scratch. And the vision of what this university should be was compelling to me. The third reason why I was interested in doing this is that to be able to start a communication school from scratch, learning the best of what we've learned at Annenberg and in US-based communication schools, coupling that with the ability to think about the new information environment that we live in, so that not to be constrained by old practices when a new form of education might be necessary, but still building on what we've known from the past, that is a unique opportunity that people rarely get the chance to be part of. You don't start universities, you don't start schools of communication very often. And so that combination, the vision, the logic of the larger university, and the opportunity to build a truly 21st century global communication program was compelling enough to me that I was very excited and very pleased to be part of this collaborative effort. Now, what does the collaboration involve? We're starting off at some level very ambitiously, but also cautiously. So the initial agreement between the Annenberg School and Shiv Neder University is that we will provide expert consulting, if you want to think of it that way, to help the university as it develops its first communication school and program, to help them with thinking through what the curriculum should look like at the undergraduate, the master's, and the PhD level, what kind of courses, how should it interact with other schools within the university? So number one is curriculum development. Number two is faculty hiring and development. So we'll work with the university to identify potential faculty hires, to make sure that they are of the highest quality, and to make sure that as a collection, they fill the needs that the curriculum sets up and can interact well with the various other schools at the new university. And then third, to begin the process of developing some joint collaborative programs together. Those will initially start by potentially holding joint conferences, maybe having some informal exchanges between faculty and students. So that's the initial set of agreements or set of activities that we've agreed to between the two universities. But what our hope is that that works as we think it will. This will be the first step in a set of larger partnerships that could involve joint research projects, and that ultimately could include more formal exchanges of faculty and students, including down the road at least the possibility of some kind of a joint degree program. So we're starting ambitiously but pragmatically. with the possibility that it could expand into a much more deep-seated relationship depending on how things progress over the next several years. So I'm quite excited about that possibility.